Okay, you guys, you asked, I'm delivering art gallery. We put out a poll, what did you want to see? And I have always loved art gallery. It just doesn't always sell well. So don't steer me wrong. I heard a lot of you asking for art gallery. So hopefully you're going to buy what we brought in. And someday I'll figure out how to do videos, maybe not on the floor, but this is my best way to unbox for you guys. So we even brought in 10-inch squares this time. So we have some of the mix the volume. I know, we're already into the Valentine's season, but I got you a Valentine's theme, some 10-inch squares. What else did we get? Soul Fusion and oh, Maven. I love a Maureen crack now. So just so you know, also behind me is more. Oh, getting old, I tell you. We brought in some of their knits. All right, so their knits are luscious, and I just had somebody today asking for more garment stuff. So you fashion people, once again, you don't always buy what I order, so it's really hard to guess. We just got neutral colors and knits. What to get for you. So understand, I'd love to support you, but when the fabric sits on the shelves, it doesn't help me. So I either need more info of what you want to see for garments. I don't know. I need help. Look at these bugs. I don't know why I have such a bug fetish. But any excuse for bug prints. This is the brand new. It's like 2.5 inch wide. I haven't played with it yet, but these are binding fabrics, so they're supposed to be just wide enough to make these cute bindings. Look at this. This one says handmade with love, one of a kind. But yeah, you just buy your fabric, cut your strips. They have little cut lines for you, and they make these really super cute bindings. So Katie and I had fun when we were together last week. This one says like love, magic, all kinds of good stuff. Getting to play with the art gallery catalogs. So we got a different couple different colors. Here it is in green. All binding fabrics. I thought that was an interesting idea, so I'm curious to see how it works. And then just some good old mix the volume. So I know I need better lighting in here. I heard that too. So a bunch of neutrals. Just to start with, because neutrals always do good for you guys, right? More fun, just kind of neutral stripes and the creams. This is kind of a greenish background. Swirl, oh, swirls. And anything with rust, you know me. I'm a fan of rust. This is yellowish. Let's see. Getting my exercise. More yellowish. I like a lot of their creams and yellows. This has got pops of orange and pink. This is that kind of mineral look. And kind of a tan. More flowers, but in green this time. All kinds of fun. More neutral brown. This is a good old black, white, and gray. More swirls in different colors. Kind of look like rainbows. Who doesn't love a good rainbow? Let's see, some floral. Cute little flowers. Just kind of some, look like brush strokes. More flowers, now in orange, yellow, and a little pop of green in here. Everything's on the website, don't worry. You can get better pictures there, or come see them in person. And what I love about Art Gallery, and why I love having them, cute little flowers, look at that, is how they feel. They are just luscious. These are like little flowers, maybe butterflies, whatever you want to call them. They use a very nice gray bit, very soft to the touch, lightweight. You could do garments out of these. Or a little flower, butterfly, whatever you want to call it. And then a good, just kind of black and white crosshatch. Alright, so here's our art gallery. We're in love, but make sure you gotta buy it. It can't just keep sitting on the shelf because I can't get new stuff in if this stuff sits around. So these are the rules. All right, guys. Love ya. Hopefully you start doing some shopping, and we'll see you soon.